So next we're going to talk about playlist. And I'm going to show you two different ways to create a playlist on YouTube. But basically a playlist is a series of videos, and you can either find them already created, you can create your own, and they're a great way to give your students a series of videos on a topic without having them search all over for them or without having to give them several links. You can give the students just links to one playlist and all the videos will play. It's really phenomenal. So I'm going to show you kind of the hard way to create the playlist first. I have clicked on my name here. I've gone to Creator Studio, and then on the left-hand side, I went down to Video Manager and Playlist. And you can see I have two playlists already here, and we're going to create a new one for this week of videos just to show you what this looks like. And I'm going to show you two ways. So I'm going to make it, delete it, and then show you how to make it an easier way. So you have to kind of dig down in the menus to get here, and then I click a new playlist. So I'm going to make one for this week's class because I'm putting the videos on YouTube this week. And the only options I have here are to name it and change the privacy. So same as my video settings earlier, I can make it public for everybody to see. I can make it unlisted so people have to have a link to see it, or I can make it private. I'm just going to make this one public and hit create. And as soon as I make the playlist, you see there's nothing here. There's no videos going on. So we've got to add some videos to that playlist. So what I'm going to do is go back to my channel, and I'm going to go to my videos, and I'm going to open a video that I want to add to that playlist. So here's the first week, the first lesson video for week 7. And what I'm going to do is down here in the bottom right corner, click this little button here, these three little lines and the plus sign, and I'm going to add it to playlist MISD GCE week 7. That's all I have to do is check that box. So now I'm going to go back and do it one more time to the second video I have. Add the playlist button, GCE week 7, done. Let's go back to my settings, Creator Studio, Video Manager, and Playlists. Here is my new playlist here. When I click and open it up, you'll see the videos on the right-hand side that are in the playlist. I can rearrange them. All I have to do is grab the videos and reorganize them. I can remove them from the playlist by clicking these three little dots and hit remove. I can also set either of these as my thumbnails. The thumbnail is the picture that's going to appear on the playlist. So if I'd rather this be the thumbnail for week 7, I say set as playlist thumbnail, and then now that shows up as the playlist thumbnail. You'll also see a shuffle play option here. You can click that and it'll just start playing the playlist in a shuffled order. Here on the right hand side are my videos in my playlist. So you can see how easy this is to kind of set up a series of videos, add, rearrange, and move them around. So now I'm going to delete this playlist. So I'm going to go back. This is my list of playlists, and I'm going to hit edit. Now down here by my name I have another edit button that I haven't talked about. We're going to click on that, and it's going to bring us to just kind of a different view of our playlist. We see our videos here. You can X out and remove them kind of the same way we were just looking at them. Moving them here is a little bit different. You have to grab on the left-hand side, but we'll come back to this view in just a second. I first want to be able to delete this playlist. So I didn't mean to make it. I want to get rid of it. Look for your three little dots and hit delete playlist. And I'm going to say yes. Let me show you an easier way to create the playlist. So right from your video, now we don't have to do this on videos that we own either. So let's find some videos about cell division. Say I like this video a lot about mitosis. I've watched it, I think it's great, I'm ready to add it to a playlist. I click my little playlist button here, and I don't have a playlist listed here that I want. I want a new one. So I'm going to go down to create new playlist. I'm going to call this cell division. I'm going to make it public and hit create. Now, it automatically adds it. There was a little pop-up down in the corner that told me that it was added to that playlist, and I can go back now and add a few more. So let me just add the next two videos here. I'm going to hit the plus, and now cell division is an option. I choose that. Done. Let's go back. Let's add one more. Plus, cell division, done. Now, I'm going to click on my picture again, go to my channel, and go to my playlist up at the top. And there's my cell division playlist. When I click on that cell division playlist, it's just going to start playing. It's taking me here. Here's my first video. Here are my other videos on the right. So we're actually going to have to go back to where we were in our Creator Studio to mess with the name and the description and all of that good stuff. So in my Creator Studio, Video Manager, and Playlist. I click edit on my cell division playlist, and I'm back to all of my options where I can rearrange. I can hit edit again here, and there are more options. So let's talk about sharing the playlist. We're going to talk about embedding everything in the next video, but we're going to talk about sharing this playlist. We really want to share this on our Google Classroom, for instance. So all I have to do is hit share here, copy this big long link, and then I can put it right in Google Classroom. So watch how this works. I'm just going to go to, I think I'm already in classroom.google.com. I'm going to go to our certified educator class, post an announcement, watch this playlist, and I'm going to add it as a link right here. Okay, it will actually appear as just a regular link. When they go to it, they will see that whole series of videos pop up, so they see all the videos that they need. It's a really great way to share videos. There are more playlist settings in here you can go through, the privacy of it, how the videos are ordered, and you can add collaborators so that other people can add videos to the playlist. That's important. So there may be somebody else that needs to add videos to this playlist. You can do that, get a link, and send it to those people. Okay, so that's playlist. It's pretty simple. It's really easy to create, share, and work with playlists. Make sure that you know where all the settings are. I do think navigation is probably the hardest part of YouTube, so when in doubt, just click on your picture and go to Creator Studio, and all of your options are there on the left.